Congratulations on purchasing the Amosphere Drive Car Air Treatment System. It's important to register your Amosphere Drive to activate the 1-year limited warranty. Open the top shield of the unit by pushing in the button on the back. Snap a picture of the registration code on the unit. Now, send the image to Amway. You'll be prompted to enter some additional information. Then click Register this product. Reattach the top shield. It will snap into place. It's that simple. With the Amosphere Drive Car Air Treatment System, you and your passengers will enjoy many miles of cleaner air inside your car.